Nidhi Jain, and guys, we are up with the third part of German prefix verbs. Yes guys, so this is gonna be the third part. If you have missed any part, part 1 or part 2, then I'm going to be putting the playlist link here. Make sure to watch both the episodes, and this gonna be the third episode. This whole series will be of 5 episodes. So in this you will be watching all the prefix verbs which are having an with example and lots example, because examples are something from which you can learn more and more. I hope it's gonna be super duper helpful and a very informative video. Make sure to subscribe Germangyan, and if you are watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of Germangyan. Germangyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, and whatever you can think around German, we do provide each and every service just for you. So let's start the third episode. I'm so excited, and we'll catch you in the end. Let's start.
Let's start with the third episode of learning new verbs with the same prefix. This time we are using the prefix an. So let's start with the video. The first verb is anfangen, means to begin or to start. For example, wir fangen 10 Uhr an, means we start at 10 o'clock. Next verb is anrufen, means to call but on the phone. For example, ich rufe dich später an, means I will call you later. So remember, whenever you are talking about calling on the mobile phone, at that time you have to use the verb anrufen. Ankommen means to arrive. For example, der Zug kommt in einer Stunde an, means the train arrives in 1 hour. Next verb is ansehen, means to look at or to watch. For example, ich sehe den Film an, means I am watching the movie. Anbieten means to offer. For example, sie bietet mir einen Kaffee an, means she offers me a coffee. Andauern means to last or to endure. For example, der Regen dauert den ganzen Tag an, means the rain lasts all day. Next verb is anhalten, means to stop or to halt. For example, der Bus hält an der nächsten Haltestelle an, means the bus stops at the next stop. Anpassen means to adjust or to adapt. For example, hat sich gut an das neue System angepasst, means he has adapted well to the new system. Anvertrauen means to entrust. For example, sie hat mir ihr Geheimnis anvertraut, means she entrusted me with her secret. Next verb is anziehen, means to put on the clothes or to attract. For example, ich ziehe mich schnell an, means I am getting dressed quickly. Next example is der Film hat viele Zuschauer angezogen, means the movie attracted many viewers. Now, do let us know if you are loving our episode, and if you are facing any problem, please drop it in the comment section. Cheers!
So guys, how was the third video? I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have learned so much new. If you have any video suggestion, then you can comment down below. If you have any further question related to this video or any question related to German, then Germangyan is there to help you out. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with Germangyan.